Hello, here's an AQA A-level physics question from the particles topic. If you want to try to answer the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer right, well done. So, the process of beta plus decay can be represented by, and this is a Feynman diagram representing the decay. This beta plus decay is one of the decays you have to know about, you have to learn. And it occurs when a proton decays into a neutron, a beta plus particle, which is an anti-electron, and an electron neutrino. So you just literally have to know that equation. You also have to know what the force carrier is. Well, it's a weak interaction that's occurring, and weak interactions are always mediated by the omega boson, and they can be either plus or minus. In this particular case, we've got a proton decaying into a positron, so a positive particle decaying into another positive particle, so that needs to be a positive mediating particle in order to carry that positive charge away from the proton. So X is a W plus. So we've got A and B as options at the moment. Now I'm going to open up my datasheet and look at the appropriate page to help me explain why particle Y is an electron neutrino. So at the bottom of the second page you'll see this, which tells you properties of leptons, what the particles are and what their lepton number is. One of the properties that's always conserved in any reaction is lepton number. So the lepton number of the left of an equation must equal the total lepton number on the right of the equation. So protons aren't leptons, so lepton number 0. Neutrons, again, they are baryons, so they don't have a lepton number 0. Now beta plus, that's the same as an electron plus. It's just another way of writing the same thing. And that's an antiparticle, so it has a negative lepton number. Well, if we look, the total lepton number on the left is 0, so we need the total lepton number on the right to be 0. So this particle here must have a positive lepton number. Well, we can look at what our options are, and what we need to know is that whenever beta plus or minus beta decay occurs, either a neutrino or an antineutrino is produced. In this case it has to be a neutrino because we need a positive lepton number to cancel that negative lepton number of the positron or beta plus particle. So that is correct. So your correct line is B. If you found this video useful, please click on that subscribe button, share with friends and give me a like. Thank you very much.